Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the number one opportunity discovering platform. We're back with a great exchange program opportunity for everyone who wants to go abroad for international summer exchange program. The DAAD Summer Exchange Program in Germany 2022. Applications are now open for this program in Germany for the academic year 2022 for international students from developing countries. It is a fantastic opportunity for international students who graduated or enrolled in master's program. There is no restriction on academic background. Students from all disciplines can apply for a fully funded DAAD exchange program. The aim of this program is to help students and graduates improve their knowledge of the German language and their cultural knowledge of the country. Applicants must have completed at least 2 years of university to be eligible for this program. The duration of the exchange program is 18 study days. The program will be between June to November. The DAAD Summer Exchange Program is a fully funded opportunity for all applicants. The program will cover the course fees, accommodation expenses, and travel allowance. Not to forget, this also includes health and accidental insurance. Applicants who have an academic background in language and cultural studies are encouraged to apply for this program. The eligibility criteria to apply for this exchange program: applications are open to graduate students and students enrolled in master's degree program in any area subject. Applicants must be between the age of 18 years or older to apply for the program. Bachelor students must have completed at least 2 academic years at the start of the scholarship period. Applicants must be enrolled in a university. Proof of German skills is required. They should be able to follow lectures in the German language and collaborate with them. The benefits of the DAAD exchange program: one-off scholarship payment of €1,061. Scholarship holders from least developed countries will receive a scholarship of €1,236 and includes accommodation and course fees. Travel allowance will be provided and health and accidental insurance will be covered. The required documents to apply for this exchange program: a performance record, letter of motivation, language proficiency certificate, complete CV in tabular form in German, copy of degree certificate or certificate of the first year of higher education, other documents if available such as certificate of employment and proof of internship. To apply for the DAAD Summer Exchange Program, you have to click on the link given in the description section of this video under the title Application Link, and after clicking on the Until link you will be redirected to this page. You have to scroll down towards the application process section. The application process for this program is: the application submission process for the DAAD Summer Exchange Program is online. First of all, register for the DAAD portal, download the application form, prepare the documents and scan the documents, and save them in PDF form. Upload the filled application form and documents in PDF form on the portal and submit. A selection committee reviews applications based on previous academic achievements and convincing motivation for choice. Make sure to submit a complete application with required documents before the deadline. Late submissions will not be accepted. To start your application, click on Apply Now. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the DAAD official website. You can see the full details about the Summer Exchange Program, the overview of the program, the objective, who can apply, what can be funded, the duration of the funding, value, and selection criteria. You can see the application requirements, what requirements must be met. The minimum age at the start of the scholarship is 18 years. As a rule, applicants must be enrolled at a university program. There must be 2 years between 2 funding awards for a university summer course. And your language skills: German language skills must be proven at the time of application. The language certificate cannot be older than 2 years. Applicants must be able to follow lectures in German and participate in working groups. The application procedure: as you have been told before, you can also read the procedure on the official website as well. The documents to be uploaded to the DAAD portal: application deadline is 1st December each year. And you can also read the important note: contact and consulting. If you have any questions, you can ask the official contacts for any information that you require. Click on Submitting an application. General information on the application via the DAAD portal. This is what you have to do: register in the DAAD portal, applying online, download and complete the online application form, Prepare the application documents. If necessary, translate documents unless they're already in German or English. Scan papers and save in PDF format. Upload the completed application form and the other application documents in the portal in PDF format. Click on to the application portal to start your application on the Daat website. Then you will be redirected to the My Daat portal. If you've already created an account, then sign in with your email address and password. And if you are a new user, click on Register Now to start your application. Enter your email address and then click on Send Verification Code. After you receive the verification code, add the verification code here and then add in your new password. Confirm your password. Add your gender, your first name, your surname, your preferred language, and then tick the data privacy statement and then click on Continue. Then you will be redirected to the Daat application portal. Applying for funding in the Daat portal. Read the details carefully and then go to Personal Funding. Click on Application. The first step is Program Selection. Select your country of residence and target country. Selection of the applicant status and then click on Continue. First you have to download the form. Click here to download a new funding application form. After downloading the form and fill in the form carefully, you have to upload the form back on the Daat portal. Upload the form here and then your form will be automatically checked and you will be redirected to the next step, that is the attachments. You have to attach the documents that were mentioned before and then you have to review your application and then submit it. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that you liked this video, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.